Get ready to witness the future of construction. In today's video, we'll explore construction technologies that have reached a new level. From smart building materials to cutting-edge automation, these innovations are shaping the future of how we build. Let's dive into 14 game-changing technologies revolutionizing the industry. Walking on a floor that's both soft and durable might sound impossible, but Sika ComfortFloor makes it a reality. This innovative poured flooring solution provides a warm, cushioned feel while standing up to high-traffic areas like schools and hospitals. It's scratch-resistant, elastic, and even helps reduce footstep noise. Plus, its seamless surface prevents dirt and bacteria buildup, making it a hygienic choice. Moving furniture is effortless, and cleaning is a breeze. Best of all, it emits no odor during installation, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Comfort, durability, and style, this flooring has it all. Construction just got a whole lot smarter. Max Rebar, tying unit for automation, is revolutionizing the industry with its advanced robotic manipulator, developed by Japanese company Max, which introduced the first battery-powered rebar tying tool in 1993. This cutting-edge system is designed to tackle Japan's predicted labor shortage of 3.78 million workers within the next decade. It automatically ties rebar, corrects misalignments, and even generates the optimal working route on its own. Plus, it can collaborate with other robots in swarm mode, making rebar tying faster and more efficient than ever before. The future of construction is here! Strength, durability, and innovation, TitanFlor raised flooring is built to handle it all. Made from ADC12 die-cast aluminum alloy in a single casting process, its patented design ensures outstanding performance. The high-end AL 1500 model can withstand an impressive 2,500 kilograms force per square meter, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. Developers recommend a variety of top coverings, including encapsulated calcium sulfate for fire resistance and sound absorption. Need electrostatic protection? There's an anti-static conductive PVC tile designed for spaces requiring precise conductivity. Whether for safety, durability, or advanced performance, TitanFlor delivers a rock-solid foundation for modern spaces. A groundbreaking construction method is changing the game. Build and Lift, created by New Zealand carpenter Neil Joseph Cott, is revolutionizing how roofs are installed. Instead of traditional methods, this technique allows workers to assemble a roof on the ground and then lift it into place, covering up to 300 square meters in just one day. This not only speeds up construction, but also enhances safety by reducing the need for scaffolding and minimizing work at dangerous heights. With fewer risks and faster results, Build and Lift is pushing the construction industry toward a safer and more efficient future. A revolutionary approach to construction is here. Dincel Walls introduces an advanced polymer-based formwork system that's not only lightweight, but also incredibly durable. These easy-to-install blocks eliminate the need for cranes while offering unmatched strength, capable of withstanding 9-magnitude earthquakes, tested against sulfuric, hydrochloric, and nitric acids, as well as constant seawater and oil exposure. This system is built to last in the toughest conditions. Plus, its lightweight design dramatically cuts transportation costs, making it an efficient and cost-effective solution. Dincel Walls isn't just changing how we build, it's redefining the future of construction. A breakthrough in modern construction is here. Mason's Enviro AAC panels are transforming apartment partition walls with their lightweight yet durable design. Made from autoclaved aerated concrete AAC, these non-load-bearing panels weigh half as much as traditional brick partitions, making them perfect even for frame houses. Once finished with drywall, they reach a thickness of 29 centimeters, offering exceptional fire resistance and sound insulation. Tested in buildings up to 10 meters high, this innovative system ensures safety, efficiency, and sustainability in construction. Mason's Enviro AAC is redefining the way we build for a smarter, stronger future. Let's take a look at an impressive infrastructure upgrade in Germany. In the town of MONTABAUR, a crucial 1.6 kilometers culvert built nearly 80 years ago to channel an underground stream is undergoing a major reconstruction. To extend its lifespan, workers are installing 6-meter-long pipes with a 1.6-meter diameter, ensuring durability for decades to come. While the stream itself may not flow rapidly, the project is making a significant impact on the city's budget, with an estimated cost of $1.5 million. This reconstruction effort showcases the importance of modern engineering in preserving essential urban infrastructure for the future. When it comes to cutting-edge building exteriors, Staticus Facades is leading the way in Northern Europe. Not only does this company take on complex facade installations, but it also pushes innovation through scientific research. Partnering with SYF, one of Europe's top research institutes, Staticus developed the Huff Unified Facade System, which cuts CO2 emissions by 30%. This eco-friendly breakthrough replaces traditional aluminum posts and beams with glue-laminated and laminated timber. To ensure durability, Staticus tests its facades for wind resistance, impact durability, and water permeability, paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient future in architecture. Keeping roads clean around construction sites just got easier. Meet FODS, an innovative mat system designed to stop dirt, debris, and contaminants from spreading. Placed at site exits, these mats effectively clean vehicle wheels, whether it's dump trucks or heavy machinery. Each standard FODS mat measures 2.1 times 3.7 meters and features durable pyramid-shaped elements that can withstand up to 9 tons. With an impressive lifespan of 10 years, they reduce maintenance costs while keeping streets cleaner. Plus, FODS mats are easy to clean using standard street sweeping machines, making them a simple yet powerful solution for construction site cleanliness. When working at heights, safety is everything, and SafeSmart Access is leading the way. Since 1991, this company has been designing top-tier scaffolding and fall protection systems to keep workers secure. Their crane cabin scaffolds support 250 kilograms force per square meter and offer a 1.2 meter width, making it easy for 2 people to pass comfortably. Another game changer is the Easy Rail system, which attaches to eaves to prevent falls on rooftops. Plus, their Z-Stack aluminum stair system is both lightweight and incredibly strong, allowing for staircases of virtually any height. Safe, smart, and built for efficiency. Revolutionizing construction with innovation. Meet PERI Duo, a game changer in formwork technology. PERI, a leading name in scaffolding and formwork, is behind the successful construction of landmarks like the Cuatro Torres business area in Spain and the Zoltoy Bridge in Russia. One of their standout products is the Duo formwork, made from durable polymer material. Unlike traditional steel and wood, Duo doesn't rust or absorb moisture, making it lightweight yet strong enough for repeated use. Plus, it allows for pouring slabs up to 30 centimeters thick, providing an efficient and long-lasting solution for construction projects worldwide. Introducing the future of construction cranes, compact, efficient, and fully remote-controlled. The compact tower crane, sold by the Chinese company XJCM, is revolutionizing how we approach construction and emergency services. The FYIT30 model can be deployed in just 10 minutes and lift up to 3 tons to a height of 25 meters. These cranes are perfect for teams working in challenging terrains, demolition crews, and emergency repairs. With intuitive controls, there's no need for a professional crane operator, making it a game changer for on-site efficiency and versatility. Revolutionizing construction with speed, strength, and sustainability. Xella Ytong, the company behind these innovative autoclaved air-rated concrete blocks, is changing the way we build. These Ytong blocks offer both structural support and thermal insulation, combining low thermal conductivity with high load-bearing capacity. Builders can construct walls for a 94 square meter house in just 1 day, 68% faster than traditional bricklaying. The blocks are easy to cut, drill, and shape, while providing excellent frost and fire resistance. Eco-friendly and non-toxic, Xella Ytong is the smart choice for efficient, sustainable construction. Building the future with sustainable innovation. Sembla is revolutionizing construction with its modular, Lego-like blocks that can easily connect and disconnect. Made from 20% recycled materials, these blocks use a low-carbon geopolymer-based concrete that offers impressive compressive strength of 80 megapascals. Sembla blocks can be reused multiple times and are strong enough to build residential structures up to 13 meters high. With a focus on sustainability and durability, Sembla is paving the way for eco-friendly construction. Would you consider using these innovative blocks for your next project? Let us know in the comments.